Well, looky what we got here. We got these fancy push around the corner push rods. Those are special. Yeah, these are really nice ones. In case you wanna push some lifters that are around the corner. These are the hot setup right here. There's a couple of them that aren't bent. Yeah, it's nice.